So we picked up these vanity lights here to put around the mirror. So when Melissa does her makeup, it'll be good. Here, Ben, plug that in. These little bad boys, I don't know how many looms they are. Oh, it's 1,200 looms. Goes right here.
There. Okay.
And that's bright. And so I'll put it on there, I'll do a video. But they do come with, this is all sticky. So they put one big T, so I'm gonna take a razor and do it. But she wanted something like you get for like makeup lights and stuff, but that's bright. I mean, that'll work out really well and stuff. So I'll show you, we'll be there. So we're back at it. That's a really nice light there for doing makeup. I mean, that would give you what you need. It gives you a light because all our stuff, my can lights are behind us, so she had a shadow every time she do nothing. So it comes with the little on-off switch. But where we're sitting here, she has a power strip, so she can just undo it. You know what I mean? So yeah, but I was trying to be slick, cutting with my razor because it's like a little horseshoe like this, thinking I could do it on some wood and the razor, and of course it slipped. So yeah, I screwed that up real quick. So don't do me. Ended up taking scissors to the rest. I thought it'd be easier with the razor just because of the bend, you know, when you're bending the back of it to, you know, where the two-sided tape is and stuff. But yeah, so don't do a razor like me. But I don't think, I forgot what these were. They'll be on the bottom, description on the bottom. But that's a nice little light for makeup, around decorative light somewhere if you need to do something for a room. And yeah, you can't go wrong, and don't mind the mess here. If you're looking for good soap, Dr. Bronner's is awesome. Just because I was sitting here. But yeah, these lights are pretty nice for what they are. I don't think they were much more than 20 bucks. Comes with a power supply, your power supply, and then if you want it on off, it's got a little interrupter. I'm sorry. And that's what else is in the box. And some more backup tape, you know, if you need one of them to come off and stuff. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Thanks, guys. Talk to y'all later.